Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and in this video, I'm going to install the PGT Sparta Picture Window. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the best practices of installation, applying the appropriate sealant, and snapping in the fastener covers. The first step is to remove this board. You must remove it before setting it into the opening. The next step is to dry fit the window into the opening. I've now dry fitted the window into the opening, and now I'm ready for sealant. Apply the sealant either to the flange or to the buck and precast sill. For best practices, apply sealant to all three. The sealant has been applied. I can now set the window into the opening. Following the product approval, use the appropriate fasteners when anchoring your window into the substrate. Use shims at every fastener location to keep the window square, level, and plumb. Continue anchoring your window into the opening. This window requires anchors in the head, sill, and both jambs. When anchoring your sill, drill through the pre-punched holes of the frame into your precast sill. Get all that concrete dust out and fill each cavity with sealant. You can even run your fastener through the tube of sealant and anchor your sill down. After inspection, top off each head with sealant. The window has now been installed and inspected. We're ready for our fastener covers. I'm going to use the fastener covers that were supplied with the window. I'll begin on one side and work my way to the other. The fastener covers will come in longer than needed, so use your snips to come down to the right size. The final step is to apply the appropriate sealant to the exterior perimeter of the frame. To recap, I've now installed the PGT Sparta Picture Window. I'm Patrick Jameson, and thanks for watching.